Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to put a background on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the Capcut application, and this is the look when you open it. And to add the background, just need to click new project and just go into the stock photos or stock videos here that provided by the Capcut itself. So there will be a lot of options related into your needs, and one of them is background. So if you want to add background, you just need to go into the background and choose what background that you want to add into your project. For example, you want to have a color, you just need to scrolling down and find out the background that probably suit with what you need. Okay, let's do it this background, and after you're done, just need to click add, and now you already have a background on a Capcut. And for the next is, if you want to add a picture or video here, like in the top of this background, you just need to go into this feature on the bottom side here and click overlay and click add to overlay. You can choose a video or photos that you can add into the background that you already add before. Okay, for example, let's do with this picture right there, or you can also choose another picture. Let's do it this. Okay, and then just click add, and now you already have a picture on it. You can do a resizing, make it full with the ratio of the project. And to remove the background of this picture, you just need to explore this tools bottom here. Just need to click it and scroll into the left side until you found a cutout, and now you can just click cutout and remove background. And now you already remove the background of the photo that you put in the top of background that you add the first time. And that's all the way how to put background on a Capcut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.